Hey guys, thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to do an oil change on my SAAB. This is the first oil change since I bought the car, so it should be pretty simple, but I still hope nothing goes wrong. I have 6 quarts of the Mobil 1 0W40 full synthetic oil and the filter. So without further ado, let's get started. So I am already running into a problem, which is that the car's too low and I don't have any piece of plywood or anything that I can drive over to make it higher. So I'm actually gonna take off the front bumper. I don't know if it's gonna help, but I was gonna take it off to take care of the front end mess anyway, and this isn't my daily driver, so I'm actually gonna take off the front bumper and we'll go from there. So this is what the inside of my bumper looks like. First of all, there's no underguard, I guess. Underbody
You
protection.
suck.
Underbody guard. And so the previous owner tied these headlight washer fluid and some wires with shoelaces. And this one, this shoelace, it was tied to the actual this steel line. I don't know what that is, maybe the radiator line, but it was tied to that, so that couldn't have been good. So I cut that, and that's what was making the bumper stuck. So it doesn't look too good, but I'm glad I opened it to find out what was happening. So I'm gonna remove that part there so that the bumper comes off completely. Alright guys, I just tried everything. Well, I tried to jack up the front part as high as possible so that I can put the jack stand on the side. This jack doesn't go high enough for me to stick that jack stand on the side. So I am out of ideas. So I'm gonna jack the car up from the side first and we'll see what happens.
자, 이거를
Wow.
그런 생명이 없었었는데 생겼다는 얘기거든요. 근데 내일
Need like something.
콧방에다 저렇게 할수 있나?
당연히 할 수 있지.
제대로 못하는 것 같은데. 오일 체인지 해야 되는데 막
Alright guys, so engine oil is complete. What I had to do was put the car on a 2x4 and use my jack with two other 2x4s. And now it's done. So now on to the next project.